everybody, today I am here showing you guys my artwork that I am doing right now, and this is like an artwork for a contest. It's like a contest between the tiger, gecko, eagle, and cobra. I'm in tiger, and we have to, it's like a competition on like drawing a garden, since my school is called Garden International. And we have to draw a garden here, and as you can see, I've opened this to be like an inspiration, but I'm not that yet like finished. So, yeah. Now, as you guys can see over here, it's like purplish white. I'll just pause the video. Here is like purplish white. So I'm gonna use like a light, quite lavender type of purple, and I'm gonna put some white in it too, but for my white, I'm using titanium white. And for the purple, we've got this one. Now, for the purple, I'm just gonna get this, dab it here. And I'll get some white. And here, we have light purple. I think we're gonna have to put more purple. This is perfect. Now I'm just where they put it. So they're putting it like here, around. So I'm just gonna go like that. We're gonna have to look at it ourselves how much is enough. So just put it on. And all the way around to make it look kind of like this. Dab it all in, just to make it like flowers coming down over here. As you guys can see around here, right over there, we need to do some right here. So over here, and then we're just gonna go for right here. Done. We have finished this artwork here. Okay, now we're done. Maybe. Yes, we are. So here is my garden, as you guys can see. And this took me how long? Wow. To finish this whole canvas, 4.5 hours now. Amazing! Yay! As long as we have finished it, I am very happy. I'm so proud of myself.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, and also I hope you guys love this artwork of mine, but if you don't, then it's fine, because I love it. Goodbye!